Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2017 Ford Escape Titanium. This thing is loaded up, panel roof. It's in excellent shape inside and out. We just serviced it. It's a two-wheel drive edition. Panel roof, the park assist is fully loaded. Just did an oil change on it, that's all it needed. You can see the body's in excellent shape. So is the interior, just as clean as the outside. Check out the inside here. Super clean. Really nice compact SUV. 2.0 turbo. Check out the inside here. And it has 94,780 miles. Go ahead and start her up. If there's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us and text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectlc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any repair needs, you have a Ford or Lincoln or other domestic or foreign luxury vehicle, definitely give us a shout. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for checking out this video.